Hello, in this video I will show you how to cancel YouTube TV subscription. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser or your YouTube TV application. Then there will be two ways how you can do this. The first way is click on your profile at the very top right. Then go to manage your Google account. Now once you're on your Google account, just simply go to payment and subscription. And now scroll down and open manage subscriptions. And right over here, if you have your subscription for YouTube TV, just simply cancel it. And if you're unable to see it right over here, not an issue. Go back to your YouTube TV. Again, click on your profile. And this time, click on your settings option. And after that, just simply go to the membership option. And right away, you will be able to see what type of plan you're using. Then all you have to do is just simply click on cancel. Then just simply review what plan you're cancelling. And then in the end, just simply click on yes, cancel, and your subscription will be cancelled. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.